Hi, this is Indranil and welcome back to Business Bytes on our channel The Spotlight News, India's first online business news channel. In today's Business Bytes, first news we have NTPC Green Energy launched IPO to raise 10,000 crore. Second news we have health supplement startup HealthKart raised $153 million fund. Third news we have My Trip to buy Cred's expense management app Happay. Fourth news we have Lenskart is looking for a valuation at $6 billion to raise fund of $300 million. And fifth news we have General Atlantic to leave fashion design company House of Anita Dongre. In first news, NTPC Green Energy, a wholly owned subsidiary of state-run NTPC, has launched IPO to raise 10,000 crore which will close on 22nd of this month. NTPC Green Energy started in April 2022, focusing on renewable energy generation and having a portfolio consisted of 3.3 gigawatt of operating projects across 6 states and 13.6 gigawatt of contracted and awarded projects in solar and wind energy. The company operates at the sector-based EBITDA margin level of around 89% as they registered revenue of 1,962.6 crore from financial year 2022 to financial year 2024 with an operating profit before depreciation and amortization as 1,746.4 crore. NTPC Green Energy has registered their net profit as 344.7 crore, which was tripled than their financial year 2022 profit of 94.7 crore. As the company is in their growth phase with intensive capex, the price-earning multiple, that is PE ratio, after annualizing the profit in the first 6 months of financial year 2025 is 260, and they have a price band as 102 to 108 per share with a lot size as 138 shares. In second news, health supplement startup HealthKart has raised $153 million fund, that is about 1,291 crore in the recent round of funding. HealthKart was founded in 2011 by Prashant Tandon and Samir Maheshwari, which owns multiple digital-first nutrition brands like Muscle Blaze, HK Vitals and Gridzo. The fresh funding will lead to the complete exit of their early-stage investor, Pick 15 Partners, who had invested about $15 million in the company over multiple rounds and generated around $120 million in total return. With this recent round of funding, HealthKart is valued at $500 million, which is up from $370 million in December 2022 when they raised $135 million from Temasek. Pick 15 previously held about 27% stake in HealthKart, which was spun off from 1MG in 2015, which is now owned by Tata Digital and led by Prashant Tandon. In third news, online travel booking platform My Trip is set to acquire expense management platform Happay from fintech unicorn Cred. The Gurugram-based company My Trip, with this acquisition, will make a strong foothold in the corporate travel booking space. On the other side, Cred has acquired Bangalore-based startup Happay in 2021 with a cash and stock deal worth $180 million, and in this new acquisition arrangement with My Trip, the Happay brand along with its expense management business and the vertical's dedicated team will join My Trip. Cred will retain the payment business of Happay, which has close to half of the startup's 240 employees. With this new arrangement, out of the two divisions of Happay, the payment divisions will stay with Cred while the travel and expense management side will go to My Trip. In fourth news, Lenskart is looking to have a valuation at $6 billion, which is 20% more than their June valuation. The omnichannel eyewear retailer Lenskart, founded by Mr. Piyush Bansal, is having around 2,500 retail stores, which is a key drive of their omnichannel expansion. The company has narrowed their losses to 10 crore in financial year 2024 and they are on track to remain EBITDA positive in financial year 2025. Lenskart is also having sizable operations in Southeastern Asia and among the top late-stage startups to have consistently offered secondary exit while onboarding new investors. In a secondary share sales, new investors buy shares from existing investors and the capital doesn't go to company. In total, Lenskart has closed $1.08 billion round since their inception in 2010. And in fifth news, fashion design company House of Anita Dongre has initiated a buyback of its nearly 40% stake from US private equity firm General Atlantic. House of Anita Dongre was founded in 1995 by Anita Dongre, Meena Shehra and Mukesh Saolani, and they launched their western wear brand And in 1999 and introduced their fusion wear brand Global Desi in 2009. The company has closed around 236 underperforming retail locations, including 36 exclusive brand outlets in first half of 2024. They also shut down 3 brands as And Girl, that is Western Kids Wear, Global Desi Girl, that is Ethnic Kids Wear, and Itse, that is Economy Ethnic Wear. General Atlantic firstly took 23% stake in the House of Dongre from Future Lifestyle Fashions for close to 150 crore and eventually scaled up to nearly 38%, while the remaining portion of stake was with members of the Dongre family. In present trend in fashion business, millennials and Gen Z, which are the driving force for the industry, fast fashion has provided affordability combined with consistent access to trendy styles. In financial year 2024, the fast fashion sector has grew by 30 to 40% and is expected to be at $50 billion market by 2031. So these were the top 5 business news from Business Bytes in our channel, The Spotlight News, India's first online business news channel. So thank you very much for watching Business Bytes and signing it off.